Hi, so looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6834. It's around from the 3rd 2015 to the 10th 2018. It's a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 4N15 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate, 2 dents. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, curtis light, sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,